All right, everybody. Now, one of my favorite things about SendFuse is when we're out here driving for dollars and looking for properties that might be in disrepair, might need some love. And what I'm looking for is houses where the grass is real tall, or there's snow everywhere, or if there's something taped to the front door. So as we're driving here, I'm just looking for things that might fit into that category. And oh, look right here. Okay, right here. See that there's something posted to the front door. Now, I don't know what that is, but anytime you've got something posted to a front door, that's a red flag that there is some type of legal thing going on with the property. Now, to just be sitting here, if I didn't have SendFuse, I would be clueless as to what's going on. But I've got SendFuse, so let's go in here and check it out, okay? So first thing I'm gonna do is just go into my text, and I'm gonna go and type in SendFuse. I've got it saved. SendFuse is a text bot. So all you got to do is go in and hit SendFuse, okay? So now I want to know some information about this property. So I'm going to start with research, okay? I'm going to research, and then I'm going to put in 718 East Empire Avenue, and we are in Spokane, Washington. Now this works all over the country, you guys. So anywhere that you are in the United States of America, you can use this function. So is address 718 East Empire correct? Yes, it is. So we type in yes, and SendFuse comes back, and it's going to tell me who the owner is and what the story is. Okay, so here's what we've got. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, 1,212 square feet. The current owner bought it for $121,000 on March 4th of 2009, and she got a loan for $118,192. Now, where we're sitting, you guys, just because I know the market pretty well, this house is probably worth anywhere from $180,000 to $200,000, but I don't know, and I don't want to guess. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go and I'm going to tell SendFuse to give me title. So title for, I'm going to go back here and just copy and paste this address, and then I can just paste it right in here and drop it in. Whoops, wrong one. Title for, that's the one we want right there on Empire. Copy address. Okay, and then we're going to do title 4 and drop it in. Okay, yes, that's the one I want. Okay, now SendFuse is going to go in and it's going to pull me the 6, 7, or 8 page report on this property, which is going to give me what we call the debt stack. Now, as an investor, I got to have the debt stack because I need to know what the underlying liens are for this property. So SendFuse is going to come back and, okay, it's now emailed me the debt stack. Now, the debt stack, I just go into my email address, and it's going to send me something that looks exactly like this, okay? So this is the debt stack, how it will come out to you, okay? Now, I've pre-printed this out so you guys can see what that looks like, just to get an idea of all of the information that's there. But I want to get a closer look at this property. So now SendFuse has emailed this to me. So I'm just going to go now into my email, and here's the debt stack right here. Okay. All right. Now from the debt stack, as you guys just follow along, you can see that the owner is T. Fung. Does not live there. So you see the mailing address is 2117 East Providence, which means this is a non-owner occupied property. Built in 1911, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,212 square feet. Here's that loan that we talked about, March 2009. It was a Fannie Mae mortgage for $121,000. Now, 2009, you guys, was over a decade ago. So if the homeowner's been making payments on this property, the payoff could be as low as $81,000. So here, SendFuse gives me an aerial of what the property looks like. You can see this big garage from this aerial photo in the back. I love a good 2-car garage. That's really going to help us with value. Okay, you can see here that the property is scheduled to go to foreclosure sale, and the auction is taking place today. Okay, this thing's going to foreclosure sale today, you guys. Let's go down here and see what it's worth. Let's see. Here's the debt stack. So you read a debt stack in reverse. We'll go to the bottom here. The previous owner acquired it $58,000 back in 2002. Here's a new mortgage in 2005 for $48,000. Then that owner sells it to the current owner for $57,500. And now we see the current owner getting it here for $123,000 in 2009 as an REO, and there's a loan against it for 118. Okay, so this property is scheduled to go to foreclosure sale today. Now let's look at the comps real quick. Okay, built in 1911, $121,000. Here's one built in right here, same street on Empire. Here's a house built in 51 that just sold for $220,000. Here's another one that's a good comp for $200,000. Here's another good comp for $210,000. Oh my goodness, you guys. What this means, the payoff on this house is about $81,000, and fixed up, it's probably worth 200 grand. Now, as you can see, the property is in not that bad of condition. It actually looks pretty good. And auction starts in 40 minutes. Let's go. All right, you guys, here we are right in front of the courthouse, and I'm gonna go in here and bid on this thing and see if we can buy it. Remember, when we pulled up in front of it, we pulled the SendFuse debt stack, we discovered that this thing's going to foreclosure auction today. So at this point, it doesn't make any sense for us to send postcards or write an offer to the homeowner. Let's just go in here and see if we can buy this thing. Now, the opening bid is $81,000. I don't know how many people are in there bidding. I don't know what we're gonna have to pay to get it, but all I can tell you is I'm gonna go do my darndest to get this thing. So unfortunately, you can't come into the courthouse with me. We can't film in there, so you guys hang tight. I'll come back and let you know how it went, all right? Hang on. Yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Okay, we got it. Look at this, you guys. Picked it up for $125,000. Opening bid was 81. Now, unfortunately, if we would have gotten to this sooner, we could have maybe worked with the homeowner and got it for a better price. But that's the way it goes sometimes. But the good news is we bought it. $125,000 purchase price. We'll put about 20 grand into it. Once we're done, this thing's gonna sell for $199,900, and we're gonna profit about $25,000 on this one house. And I could not have done it without SendFuse. SendFuse is amazing. Thank you, SendFuse.